Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome for another video of the Artelino Productions. I'm Dieter Ventura, and I'm the manager and owner of the Artelino company, and we sell Japanese prints in weekly online auctions. And in today's video, I want to explain how to recognize late Shin Hanga prints. Not all, but just some selected, especially those published by the Watanabe Corporation and especially those created by the famous Shin Hanga artist Hasui Kawase. So this video shows what are Heisei and Reiwa editions, because these are the Japanese terms or the collector terms for two types of late editions of these famous Shin Hanga prints published originally in the 1920s or 1930s or 1940s or also after World War II by Watanabe Shotsaburo. And this company still exists today as Watanabe Printing Corporation. And I'm going to show you how you can recognize them, and you will see it's very easy. Heisei and Reiwa are terms from the Japanese calendar. The Japanese calendar is named after the reigns of the Japanese emperor. So whenever the emperor changes, well, the name of the calendar changes. Quite simple. And the Heisei period began in 1989 and lasted until April 2019. And afterwards came the Reiwa period, which is still ongoing. You must know that Shin Hanga had a steady rise in market value for many years. And this motivated Watanabe Color Print Corporation, so the successor to Watanabe Shotsaburo publisher, who published these original prints in the 1920s and 1930s. They were motivated to publish new editions from these original blocks because they still had them well preserved. What I also should mention that Watanabe Corporation, they were not the only ones with this idea. So also other publishers came out with late editions of original Shin Hanga. But Watanabe Corporation, they certainly played a key role in this process. And now let me explain how you can recognize in a very simple way what's a Heisei edition and what's a Reiwa edition. You have here an example for a Heisei edition. And can you see this little rectangular stamp there on bottom right margin? It's in Japanese and it says Watanabe and it is in red. Unfortunately on the screen it's not so well recognizable that it's in red, but remember, rectangular stamp, Watanabe, in red, when it's in red, it's a Heisei edition. I'll show you a few other examples. Oh, also there's a lovely winter scene there, you see, right bottom margin. It need not always be on the right bottom margin. It can also be like here in this example, on the left margin, but it's a clear red, unfortunately here not very well recognizable, the red color. And quite simple, how to recognize the Reiwa edition. The Watanabe Corporation made it very simple. They used the same stamp, but not in red, but in black. And here you have an example. There, same stamp, but not in red, but in black. And then it's a Reiwa edition. It's so simple, my friends. Artelino has offered and sold Japanese prints in our online auctions since 2001. And Shin Hanga is one of our specialities, and we offer also these late editions called Heisei and Reiwa editions. So take a look at our auction catalog, and of course I would be pleased to see you bidding in our auctions, and I would also be pleased to see you in our next video. So have a good time, have a good week, and thanks for watching.